Hey, it's Dan once again. Just wanted to do a review on the battery tender automatic battery charger. This is something I feel really strongly about. This is an excellent part, worth its weight in gold. It's really been a lifesaver. This is kind of like a trickle charger battery. If you got a car that you don't drive for long periods of time, even months, what this will do is just always continually top off your battery, and once it gets to fully charged, it shuts off, tells you it's fully charged, and just keeps repeating the cycle. So the bulk of it plugs into the wall here. It's kind of a big heavy wall wart, and it's got a long enough cord. I've got that run over to the car. I just originally hooked it up with the the spring clips here. I thought maybe one day I might use it on another car, but it never moved over. So I could have hardwired it with terminals, but this is just easy enough. Everything's all, that works fine. It's fused over here with a small fuse. I ran the wire up and over here. It's got a disconnect with a wire or a waterproof cap on it, which is really nice. So when the hood's closed, this just barely sticks up the edge of the hood. This way I can just easily plug and unplug it. But the best thing about it is this battery in the car is probably 6, almost maybe going on 7 years old. When I didn't have the battery tender and I left this car sit for a long time, the battery would be dead. I tried to charge it up, jumped the car. It just created a myriad of problems. Always having to jump the car. It would never start. I did this for a period of years, roaching out batteries to where it blew the voltage regulator in the alternator. So I had to take the alternator off, take that apart, put a new voltage regulator in it. But since I've gotten the battery tender, and this car is pretty much always hooked to it because it sits, I think I've only driven it a couple times this year. The battery is always fully topped off. The car is ready to go. It starts up right away every time, and this has been 6 or 7 years on a AC Delco battery, which I'd hope to get maybe like 10 years or so out of a battery instead of having to constantly charge it or jump it or replace it and pull this panel off. All that hassle got eliminated because I got this little simple, I think it's about a $40 product, which is this battery tender junior. Really awesome part. I really like this thing, and if it broke today, I'd go out and instantly buy another one because it has really saved me, and my car is ready to go anytime I want to jump in it.